Hello guys, welcome back. This is Tunchi. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a broken line in Autocad. It applies to any. Now, just assume you have a line. You have a very joint line. You have a very joint line. This is a very joint line, and this is your staircase piece, and you want to cut this line to make a very beautiful flat. You want to make it a very 190-degree over here. So what you do is you escape everything. You type on BRE here. You type break, then you enter. Select the object, then you move it to the point where you want to stop it. Then it's okay, and then you press fillet to fill in that gap. Fillet. You come down to this place. You fillet again. Fill in the space again. See, you have a very clean space. Now this place in between, you see, you can have this place in between them, and you don't want to be seeing this one. So there is a different way. You can actually break the point and extend, but you can actually do the same break. So the same thing again applies to you. You can break. You can click this place. You can highlight first, or you can type break, click, select the object again, and you pull it to this place. You see, you break it successfully. You fillet and you lock it. You see, you fillet to keep it very smoothly. Now you want to extend. You select, type EX for extend, then you click on the object. It matches it very smoothly. So you have a very clean space for your drawing of a nest for your staircase. So stay tuned. I'll be giving you guys how to draw a staircase. Thank you.